So, I told you I had a lot of stuff to share, right? So, yeah, let's get into it. Um, Obviously, there is definitely a favorite in this picture, and that's going to be the take-alongs. Everybody needs plasticware. We go through it so quickly. We lend it out. It never comes back. It just literally goes MIA. I don't even know what happens. We know that the lids stay around, and there's really no explanation. So it's good to be able to get some plasticware at a good price. But you're going to have to wait for the barcode on that because, well, I put stuff on top of it. I didn't think about that. Right now, Ozark Trails, you want to keep an eye on this stuff. A lot of it came out for Christmas. I don't know. I haven't seen the cardboard. You know, I had mentioned in the last video the cardboard makeshift stands in the middle of the aisles where they had specialty stuff for Christmas. I haven't seen them out there as much. They were at one point. So if you see them, you know, in a stand like that, absolutely start scanning. I have noticed they have started moving them to end caps. And if you're not aware of end caps, so basically at the end of each aisle, you know, there's stuff that's facing the other aisle. And end caps, they're usually going to fill with items that they need to get rid of. They're lowering the price of it. They've got too much of it. It's overflow. They need to get it out the door. So end caps are very important in stores. And they, a lot of times, mark down prices. But again, a lot of times those prices aren't actually correct. Maybe they're from a week prior, a couple days prior. These things can change at any time. So you always want to scan and not trust the price that is posted. So the Ozark stuff, some of it, I think at this point is down to like 90% off. I don't know. I got some of the flasks. They were $2, but I believe I've seen people get them for $1, or maybe I did get them for $1. Anyways, the flasks skew 489-5176-117-463. Check that out. See what they're priced at your store, and I'm sure they're limited if they're there at all, because I have seen a lot of this in the actual clearance section, and once it moves there, it tends to get out the door faster. But you always want to check the regular sections, because that's, you know, when stuff gets missed. Also, there's a 2-pack of water bottles. There's 2 different ones. I can't remember what the other colors are, but it was one that was in the cardboard stand, and now I've seen them on end caps. Last I paid $3 for these, but I think I saw they were down to maybe $1.50 or $2 if they're left. 489-5176-117-470. And this one, I'll be honest, I'm not sure if I even got it for clearance. I think I did, because I think they were originally $15.97 or $19.97. I paid $83 for these, which I thought was still totally worth it. I don't know if you guys know what's going on in the world and stuff, but yeah, we're packing survival backpacks just in case. So it's a really good time for this stuff to be, you know, being marked down. So I thought this set was pretty cool. Sorry, guys, I only got one. Obviously, based on this other ones I had, I need to look for more. But this one, the barcode is 820-909-149-378. So check that. Now we will get you your plasticware. These are pretty amazing. I'll be honest, I don't know how many are left. I have not seen them, but in one store, and I already had plenty of them. But I was kicking myself in the bum because they were cheaper, much cheaper than what I had paid, or not much, but these 071-691-530-336. And I saw them on an end cap for $1.50. Yes, I did not get them for $1.50. But check around. Last I saw them, they were $3.50. So again, all depends on the store. I missed something on the Ozark trails. I totally found these by accident in the normal section, but they did have a clearance tag on them at the time. Anyways, these are some heavy duty bottles, and like I said, survival kits. And I have noticed they were $7.50 in some other stores. I got them for $5, which, you know, these were probably originally at least 10, maybe 15. So the SKU on this one, 812-368-030-670. All right. And we're going to flip to some kids stuff. Character curtains right now. A different part of retail is, when you think about it, obviously there are new products coming in. So there can be old products on the shelf that as time goes on, they are discounted to get them out the door so that they can bring in the new. A lot of times the new products are exactly the same, but in different packaging. So that is a really big deal, and I need you to hear me on that. New products coming in are literally the same product, but will be in different packaging. Or they're just very, very similar. So, an example right now of what's going on is with the character curtains. There's a new version and there's an old version. Now, the character curtains are priced at $16.97, which I think is outrageous. But some stores still have the old version, which is what you are looking at. And I will explain the difference in a second. But they are only, well, it depends, $4.25 to $6 each. Now, obviously the $6 each, yes, they're going to continue to go down. With all of these items I'm showing you, the price that I'm telling you now could be different tomorrow. Or it could literally be different in 20 minutes if you're standing in the store and they go start remarking stuff. I mean, it just depends. Anywho, these I have not seen in any clearance aisles. I've only seen them in the normal areas, which they don't really stick out, so they're kind of hard to find. You want to make sure that you're looking around the bedding areas, specifically the children's bedding or the children's bath, like the hooded towels and the bath mats and the little bathroom section for kids. These aren't an end cap, but they're one of those that are hanging on an end cap. So when you think about an aisle and you walk down the aisle, when you get to the end, there's usually a group of things hanging there that's not actually on the shelf. Well, that's going to be where these curtains are. Now, obviously, you're going to want to scan them to make sure they're the price you're looking for. You're going to want to look them up ahead of time, like I told you. But the way you can tell the difference is, and I'm going to add screenshots, but basically, this old version, it shows these 3 pictures. It shows the curtains down, it shows them pulled back, and it shows the tie backs. You can see it's like that on both. I forgot the do not disturb again. So it shows 3 pictures. Now, on the new version of the of the curtains, it does not show 3 versions. It literally only shows 1 picture, and it's this one. Sorry, it's not zooming in. It only shows 1 picture of them hanging down. So if you see a package that has 3 pictures on it, specifically one with them tied back, you want to scan them. So the Baby Shark SKU 073-558-796-091, and the JoJo SKU 032-281-252-533. The packaging makes a difference that you're paying attention. Even if you're looking at something that, you know, you need for normal everyday life, if you notice that a bunch of them that looks one way, and then there's 1 or 2 that just look different, check them out, because they may be an old version, or they may be something from a holiday and just cheaper. Same thing, just cheaper. So something that I have found pretty consistently at the different stores is the different goos. We've got mix and mash, which you can tell that sticks out because it has these things on top of it that you can mix in there. The only color I have found is orange. Also fluffy. Now this one, don't mind the T-Rex in the background again. Fluffy, I have found this one in black, red, and green, I believe. Doesn't mean there's not more. And then there's also glitzy, and I have found this one in the green, and then in more of a clear color. All of these, the brand, if you want to search the brand, Compound Kings. And they are normally, I believe it's $9.95 or $9.97. And now, yeah, some stores have already repriced, I've noticed. But then some I'm still finding clearanced. And they can be anywhere from $2 to $5 each. And again, originally $9.95, $9.97. Okay, I'll go ahead and give you the SKUs on these. We have, I don't have a steady hand, obviously, at all. 760-939-634-102. I don't know, let me know if you like me reading the numbers. That's one thing. The channels I've watched, they don't read the numbers all the time. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like they don't get a good, you know, shot of the numbers like I'm doing right now. So we've got 742-833-996, 5302. Keep in mind these SKUs, barcodes, UPC numbers I'm giving you are strictly for this color. So there can be other ones. So if you see them in store, scan away. We've got 703-205-717-536. Okay, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Oh, I'm not sure if that's cries of happiness or pain. Nope, it's not pain, but it's not good. So this mom has got to go. Happy shopping. Now you guys know why I have to shop. Thank you.